In Afghanistan, President Ashraf Ghani offers a ceasefire with Taliban rebels to mark the Muslim Eid al-Adha holiday. At the Vatican, Pope Francis denounces sexual abuse by clergy members in a letter sent to the world's Roman Catholics. About 90 South Koreans are reunited with their North Korean relatives after being separated for more than 60 years. And Muslims from around the world are gathering in Saudi Arabia in the valley of Mount Arafat for a day of prayer at the yearly Hajj religious event.